Bhutan has taken a major steps towards preparing educators for an AI-driven future. With support from Canada Fund for a Local Initiative, a new project titled Strengthening AI Literacy Among Higher Education Faculty in Bhutan.
The thing that we need to realize is that the machines or the LLM systems and the generative AI particularly, these are not thinking machines, right? I think I have a problem with the nomenclature itself when you call it artificial intelligence and the depictions of AI as a brain and all that stuff, right? It is not a thinking machine, right? It is kind of it's mostly like a statistical approximation that the machine does, right? It is predicting the next word, of course, and it has to understand the context. So I think for prompting, it's very important for us to realize as educators itself, okay, this is not a thinking machine, of course, and the prompt has to be very specific. We have to give it the context. We have to make it understand what we want, right? In what context, for anything, if we want our results and the outputs to be very targeted, we also have to give it some targeted questions and targeted prompts to answer.
People still discourage use of AI, fearing it will replace real learning. But the truth is, artificial intelligence is already transforming classrooms around the world. When students are guided to use responsibly with the right prompt, AI becomes more than just a shortcut, it becomes learning partner. For educators, AI isn't something to fear, it's a chance to reimagine how the lessons are designed, how feedback is given, and how every learner can be supported in new innovative way.
So we need to make sure we tell the students what can they use AI for and what is it that they cannot use it for. So if we are permitting them to use AI for writing, yes, critical thinking abilities will get affected. But if we tell them that you can use AI for brainstorming, for scaffolding, for idea generation, yes, but you use all of that and bring those thoughts together, you analyze and you create the output yourself, then we do not risk loss of abilities.
As a student, the assignment be couple the AI gade pento mo jawajin dangachi ki assignment the last minute na be up the dinalo the ngachiragi effort chugup min bala the AI nalo the effort chugup sere pa prompt chi lejimbe dishi bajin the ngachi gomidi ngachi no midi palera jinsube sishudala dimache the prompt digi ngachi prompt nalo ngachi gomidi dina dibe the kongi phali jimdalo the phalo ngachi chanoga ma chanoga rerebe habika the dinalo learning process happen be shudala.
The focus is not on whether to use AI, but on how to teach with it responsible, ensuring that innovation goes hand in hand with integrity. This is Linda Pongo with cameraman 𝐂𝐥𝐚𝐬𝐬𝐫𝐬.